स्मार्ट सिटीक लागून पणजेकारांक आनी शारांत येतल्यांक जावपी त्रासाचेर मिडियान महापौराक गाठलो. तो म्हणटा नॅशनल गेम्सा सारखे इव्हेंट जाले तेन्नाय काम चलताले, जून मेरेन काम जावं येता. फक्त टिका नाका, सीसीपीच्या बऱ्या कामांचेरूय लक्ष दियात.
See, currently, Smart City mission is ending in March, June. So now we cannot stop that at all. It is a central government project, also in partnership with the state. Now, both of these things have to work out together. There are so many instances where there has been development work and also events. National Games happened while Smart City was going on. That was a bigger event. There were no issues at all. See, the work will have to continue, and Panjim needs this kind of infrastructure. Our sewage system is 50 years old. That needs to be redone. Our roads are going to be redone. Our footpaths are going to be redone. If you look at during the monsoon time also, WRD had built that pumping station. Mala did not flood for the first time in how many years? In 15 years, Mala did not flood. The city had no major issues this time because CCP personnel were there. All the contractors were working together to make sure the city didn't flood also. That also is development, right? Nobody's talking about any of that. CCP gets the blame for everything, but none of the good that happens, nobody talks about at all. So we are making progress. It will take, let's say, it will take another 6-7 months for the work to get done.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.